Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss the topic matrix and determinants. First of all, we cover the theoretical portion and some examples, and after that we are solve some questions also. First of all, we see the definition of the matrix. A set of mn numbers, real or complex, arranged in a form of rectangular array of m row and n column is called an m by n matrix, and that this matrix is usually written as this form. Okay, this is the matrix of m by n. First row element a11, a12, a13 up to so on a1j and so on a1n. Okay, second row a21, a22, a23 and so on a2j and so on a2n. Finally, its last row am1, am2, am3 up to so on amj and so on amn. This is the matrix of m by n. In compact form, the above matrix is represented by A is equals to aij is of order m by n. Example first, see A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, and this is the matrix and its order is 2 by 3. Okay. Now see the next question. Question second told A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3 cross 3. And third example, A is equals to iota 1, 0, minus iota. This is also a matrix of order 2. Okay. And see the next question. That means next example of matrix A is equals to ABCD. It is a matrix is also of order 2, etc. Okay. Now, next topic is transpose of the matrix. If A is equals to aij m cross n, or we told m by n, then A dash, that means transpose of the matrix A is equals to a j I. This matrix is ith row is replaced by jth column. Similarly, jth row is replaced by ith column. And this matrix order is m cross n, and its transpose matrix is of order n by m. Okay. Take some examples. Example first. If given matrix A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, and this order is 2 by 3, after its transpose, the order of the matrix is 3 by 2. Okay. A transpose is equals to matrix A, first row is interchanged by first column. Similarly, second row is interchanged by second column, and we find the matrix of the transpose. That means A dash. Okay. Now take the next example. Example second. A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1 and 1, 1, 2. This is also a matrix of order 3. Okay. A dash, then matrix A, first row is replaced by first column and second row is replaced by second column. After that, third row is replaced by third column. That means third row 1, 1, 2, and its transpose, this is also a third column 1, 1, 2. Finally, we find the matrix of A dash. Discuss what is the determinant. Every square matrix can be expression or a number which is known as its determinants. Symbolically, the determinants of A is denoted by det of A or parallel lines, this symbol, or this symbol also. Determinant of a square matrix of order 1 is determinant of A is equals to a11 or a11 determinant equals to a11. Determinant of square matrix of order 2. Determinant of A is equals to a11, a12, a21, a22, and this expression is equals to a11, a22 minus a21, a12. Okay. Now, next we are going to discuss determinant of a square matrix of order 3. Okay. If matrix A is equals to A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Okay. This determinant equals to this. Finally, we express this determinant by first row. Corresponding to first row, we express this determinant. So, A11 corresponding row and columns are deleted. So, A22, A33 minus A23, A32. And next step is minus of A12. After that, this row and column will be deleted. A21, A33 minus A23, A31 plus A13. This corresponding row and column also deleted. A21, A32 minus A22, A31. Okay. Note, determinant of A is equals to product of eigenvalues. Okay. Singular or not invertible matrix, both having the same meaning. If matrix A is equals to Aij is given, if we check the determinant, if determinant of A is equals to 0 is called a singular matrix or not invertible matrix. Non-singular or invertible matrix, if a matrix A is equals to Aij is given and we find a determinant, if determinant value is not equals to 0, then it is called invertible matrix. We take some examples. Example first, A is equals to 1, 2, 2, 1 is a 2 cross 2 matrix and its determinant equals to 2 parallel line. We write, okay, 1 minus 2 to the 4, 1 minus 4 is equals to minus 3. Determinant of the matrix is minus 3. Okay. Next question, question number second. A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 0, 0, 1 and its determinant equals to, we expand its by first row. 1 row column will be deleted, 3 minus 0 this here, minus 2 row and column corresponding deleted, 2 minus 0 this here, plus 3 corresponding row and column will be deleted, 0 minus 0. Finally, simplify this 3 cross 3 matrix and its determinant equals to 2, and finally we see that the determinant of A is not equals to 0. So, the second example is a invertible matrix example. First is also. Okay. Now, we moved to the next question. Next example, example third. A is equals to 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. This is the 3 cross 3 matrix, and if we check this determinant, finally this process determinant of this matrix will be 0. So, this matrix is a singular matrix or not invertible matrix. Next example, example 4. A is equals to only 1 by 1 matrix and its element will be only 1. So, its determinant equals to 1. Okay. Now, we discuss inverse of square matrix. What is the inverse of square matrix? If matrix is square, then its inverse will be founded. Let A is equals to Aij will be the n cross n matrix. If there exists a square matrix B of order n such that AB is equals to B is equals to identity matrix of order n, then A is said to be a invertible and the matrix B is called inverse of the matrix A. Either it is denoted by A inverse. Okay. Both having same meaning. Note first, if A is invertible, then we find the inverse of A, otherwise not. If matrix is singular, then its determinant will be 0, so its inverse does not exist. Second note is A inverse is equals to adjoint of A upon determinant of A. Okay. Well, A is equals to 1, 0, 0, 1 be a 2 cross 2 matrix and B is equals to, let A, B, C, D. Okay, so inverse of the matrix by definition, AB is equals to BA is equals to I2, because this matrix is of order 2. Okay, so A, where A is the identity matrix, and we know that any matrix we multiply identity matrix having no changes. So this matrix is equals to this matrix is equals to this matrix. So the first and lowest will be equal, second and lowest will be also equal. This implies that this is equals to lowest, first is equals to lowest. A is equals to 1, B is equals to 0, C is equals to 0, D is equals to 1. So A inverse is equals to B is equals to 1, 0, 0, 1. After all, remember that inverse of the matrix is also a identity matrix by this example. Okay. Characteristic equation. What is the meaning of characteristic equation? Let A is equals to Aij be a square matrix, then A minus lambda into I into V is equals to 0 is called characteristic equation. And after that we are going to discuss eigenvalue and eigenvector, because eigenvalue and eigenvector are important role in a matrix. Okay. If A is equals to Aij be a square matrix of order n satisfying AV is equals to lambda into V, where lambda is called the eigenvalue of the matrix A and V is called the eigenvector of the matrix A. Trace of the matrix. Trace, what is the trace of the matrix? The sum of the elements of a square matrix A lying along the principal diagonal is called the trace of A, and it is denoted by TOR of A. Some notes. Trace of A is equals to sum of eigenvalues. We take A is equals to 1, 2, 2, 1. A minus lambda I is equals to 0. Its characteristic equation. So A minus lambda I, determinant of A minus lambda I equals to this form, and this simplify we get this. A minus lambda I determinant equals to 0, because this is the characteristic equation. 1 plus lambda square minus 2 lambda minus 4 is equals to 0. Simplifying this, and we find lambda is equals to 2 plus minus 4 upon 2. Lambda, it has two eigenvalues. One is lambda 1 is equals to 2 plus ka 4 by 2, and the second is lambda 2 is equals to 2 minus 4 by 2, and we simplify lambda 1 is equals to 3 and lambda 2 is equals to minus 1. Okay, this is the two eigenvalues. This matrix is of order 2 by 2, so its eigenvalue will be 2. Okay, and the two eigenvalues of the matrix A is, one is 3 and second is minus 1. If any students told what is the trace of the matrix A, trace of the matrix A is equals to sum of eigenvalues. So 3 minus 1 is equals to 2, and determinant, any one students told, then determinant of A is equals to product of eigenvalues. That means 3 multiplied by minus 1 is equals to minus 3. Example, A is equals to 1 0 0 0 2 0 0 0 3 via 3 cross 3 matrix, and this matrix is a diagonal matrix, so its diagonal elements will be just diagonal elements. Okay, eigenvalue is equals to 1 2 and 3. Trace of A is equals to sum of eigenvalues 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equals to 6, and determinant of the matrix A is equals to product of eigenvalues 1 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 is equals to 3 to the 6 1 the 6. Okay, if P is equals to 1 0 1 by 2 1, then P raised to power 50 is option A this, B this, C and this. Solution. P is equals to 1 0 1 by 2 and 1. First of all, we find the square, and then third power, then fourth power, and after that we take a briefly idea of the matrix P raised to power n. So take these steps. P is equals to 1 0 1 by 2 1. P square P into P. First row is multiplied by first column of the second matrix by corresponding elements. 1 into 1 1 plus 0 into this 1, finally answer. first row multiply by second column of the second matrix, 1 into 0, 0 plus 0 into 1, 0. This second row, first matrix, second row multiply by second matrix, first column. So corresponding elements also, 1 by 2 multiply by 1 is equals to 1 by 2 plus 1 into 1 by 2 is equals to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, answer will be 1. So first second row multiply by second column, okay, corresponding element, this will be 1. Finally we find the value of p raised to power 3 is equals to this matrix, which is p square into p, value of p is 1 0 1 by 2 and 1. P raised to power 3, we find this first matrix, first row is multiply by first column of the second matrix, corresponding element. Similarly first row multiply by second matrix, second column, corresponding element, okay, the answer will be this. After all, power is 3 and here is 3 upon 2, p raised to power 2, here 2 by 2 value is equals to 1. So after nth power we find 1 0, this is the half of the power, this is the a22 will be the half of the power, so n by 2, a22, matrix P a22 element will be the power by 2. So p raised to power 50 is equals to power by 2, 50 by 2 is equals to 25, 1 0 25 and 1, so option is a true option. Now we move to the next question, question number second. Question second, if the matrix A is equals to 0 2 k minus 2 be a 2 cross 2 matrix satisfying A into A raised to power 3 plus 3 identity is equals to 2 identity, then the value of k is option A 1 by 2, option B minus 1 by 2, option C minus 1 and option D told 1. Okay, so in this question we are also finding power of the matrix A, because if multiply this equations, this statement we multiply A raised to power 4 plus 3a is equals to 2 identity. So A raised to power 5 is necessary to find the value, okay. A raised to power 2, A multiply by A is equals to this. Similarly A raised to power 3 we find it, and after A raised to power 3 into matrix A multiply we will find it A raised to power 4. Simplifying this term, A raised to power 4 will be this. Given that A into A raised to power 3 plus 3 identity is equals to 2 identity, we multiply the matrix A, 3A into identity. If any matrix is multiplied by identity, there will be no changes. So this is written in also the form of this, okay. Putting the value of A raised to power 4 and A and matrix identity by multiplying 2 in the right hand side, okay. A raised to power 4 will be this plus 3, every element of A multiply by 3, okay. So this find it, and after this if we take, because here told the find the value of k, what is the value of k, question is this. We finding the value of k, if we evaluate a22 sum and a22 element is equals to right hand side 2 element, that means equality of two matrices. So compact form we write this form, minus 8k minus 2 plus 6 is equals to right hand side a22 element is will be 0. So simplifying this we will find k is equals to minus 1 by 2. So option is a true option and all other options are wrong. Thank you so much.